Hi, today we're going to download the Java JDK and the jGRASP IDE. First, let's go to Google. Let's type in Java JDK download. Here you can see a link for Java. Let's click on it. Then let's go down here to JDK download. Scroll down, and here you can see the operating system for Java. And here we're going to download JDK for Windows 64. Accept and download. Next, let's go back to Google. Let's type in jGRASP. Go to the home page. Let's go to the left side of the home page and click on download. And here you can see the link for the jGRASP download. And for us, we're going to choose Windows. And this is it for today, and thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos.